With the F30 reaching its 9-year limit this year, it's time to change your batteries. For those who bought the cars later on, maybe it's time that you change your batteries now, or for those who have already owned this car, you have already changed it before. But there's one sure way of knowing how it's time to change your battery, and that's by looking at the meter cluster. Now, I didn't get a chance to record this in real time when I was having the issue, but I'm going to try and simulate the condition for you. Now, when this happened, I changed my battery for about 1,480 ringgit, and the battery lasted me for a good 6 years of use, 7 years from date of manufacturing. Now, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and do share this video to a lot more people so that they're able to know when it's time to change the battery. Thanks for watching. See you again.